I thought I'd do a video of our snowstorm going on here. It's blowing pretty good. You can see the snow blowing by. It's just whipping out there. Excuse the green light, it's reflecting off the bedroom window here. This is my patio that had about this same amount of snow yesterday. It's probably about a foot deep out there. And I shoveled it clean yesterday. It was clean last night when we went to bed. And it's probably about 3 or 4 o'clock. And my window's fogging up. As you can see it, there's an apartment down on the corner behind the tree over there. You can't really see it very well. But woods all behind me. That's all I have. That's Penny and her squeaky toy. These are my satellite dishes out here, which surprisingly, I have not lost signal today. And it's been like this all day. And they're hanging out there pretty good out there by the woods. It's just a quick video to show you the storm blowing through here. This is all what they call lake effect snow. Even though we're inland from the lake, we're still getting it.